Protesters are sounding off outside the CDC.
They are criticizing the agency's decision to walk back COVID-19 vaccine recommendations for pregnant women and children. Atlanta News First reporter Chelsea Vinefor is live at 5 outside of the CDC headquarters in DeKalb County. So, Chelsea, what is the concern here?
Well, Carly, that demonstration just wrapped up here in the last few minutes, but protesters who were out here fear that this decision was made politically and could actually lead to more people getting sick. Protesters were out here this afternoon holding signs and ringing bells outside the CDC. This is following U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s announcement about the new guidelines earlier this week. He said the Biden administration encouraged healthy kids to get another shot that they don't need, but protesters here fear that that is the wrong decision and argue that data shows kids and pregnant women are more vulnerable to complications from COVID-19.
We want to make sure that safety data continues to be reviewed, that concerns are picked up and acted on, but also that safety data isn't ignored for political expediency.
Protesters that were here today also fear that if the COVID-19 vaccine isn't recommended for kids and pregnant women, it will become more expensive and won't be covered by insurance companies, and that it will also be harder to find. Reporting live from the CDC headquarters, Chelsea Vinefor, Atlanta News First.
This